Stop scrolling. Right now, millions of Americans are using AI tools that are saving them hours every single day. And most people have no idea these even exist. I'm talking about tools that write your emails, edit your videos, manage your money, and even read your mind. Almost. Welcome to Hi-Futuretech, where we bring you the future before it arrives. And today, I'm breaking down the 10 AI tools Americans are actually using in 2026, from students to CEOs. Stay till number 1, because that one will genuinely change how you work forever. Let's get into it. At number 10, Perplexity AI. Americans are ditching Google search and switching to this. Why? Because instead of giving you 10 blue links and making you do the work, Perplexity reads the entire internet and gives you one perfect answer with sources. Students, lawyers, journalists, everyone is using this right now. It's completely free to start. Number 9. Runway ML. Video creators in the US are using this to edit videos in seconds using just text. You type remove the background or add slow motion here, and it just does it. No editing degree needed. Small business owners are saving thousands of dollars in production costs every single month with this tool. Number 8. Notion AI. This isn't just a notes app anymore. Americans are using Notion AI to write meeting summaries, build project plans, and organize their entire life automatically. You dump your messy notes in, and it organizes everything for you. Remote workers across America cannot live without this. Number 7. ElevenLabs. This one is wild. You upload 30 seconds of your voice, and it clones it perfectly. Podcasters, YouTube creators, and even teachers in America are using this to create content in multiple languages without recording again. The voice sounds completely human. Honestly, a little scary how good it is. Number 6. Midjourney. Graphic designers used to charge $500 for a single image. Now Americans are typing a description and getting magazine-quality visuals in 30 seconds. Marketing teams, small businesses, social media managers. Midjourney is saving the U.S. creative industry millions of hours every year. Number 5. Claude AI by Anthropic. While everyone talks about ChatGPT, smart Americans switch to Claude because it thinks deeper, writes better, and handles massive documents. Lawyers upload 200-page contracts and get a summary in 10 seconds. Researchers, writers, executives, this is the AI tool the pros are quietly using. Number 4. Otter.ai. Every meeting you attend gets automatically transcribed, summarized, and turned into action items in real time. American companies are saving their employees 5 to 10 hours a week just by using this. If you sit in meetings all day, this tool will feel like having a personal assistant. Number 3. Suno AI. This one shocked even me. You type a description, upbeat hip-hop track for a gym video, and Suno creates a full song with lyrics in under a minute. YouTube creators, advertisers, and game developers across America are using Suno to create royalty-free music for free. The music actually sounds professional. Number 2. Cursor. Software developers in Silicon Valley call this the most important tool of 2026. It's an AI-powered code editor that writes, fixes, and explains code as you type. Junior developers are building apps in days that used to take months. Even people with zero coding experience are building real software with Cursor. The demand for this tool is insane right now. And number 1. The tool that over 100 million Americans are now using daily, ChatGPT. But here's what most people don't know. The version most people use is basic. The real power is ChatGPT with memory turned on and GPT-4o activated. It remembers everything about you. Your writing style, your goals, your preferences. It becomes a personal AI that knows you. Americans are using this to run businesses, write books, plan meals, manage finances, literally everything. If you're not using this version yet, you are leaving the future on the table. These are the 10 AI tools that are already reshaping how Americans work, create, and live in 2026. The question is, are you using them or are you falling behind? Here at Hi-Futuretech, we cover the future of technology every single week. If you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button because the next video is going to be even bigger. Drop a comment below. Which tool are you trying first? I read every single one. See you in the next one.